G'day! In today's video, I'm going to show you a way that you can increase some views on your videos. The reason I am showing you this is because it's exactly what I'm going to do as an experiment, and you guys can actually follow along with this one and see for yourself that it'll work. So we're looking at my page here at the moment, Aussie Marks Drones and Tutorials. And this is the home page that people would come to, and the first thing that they're going to see by way of my videos are these couple here, Down by the Bridge and Gungala Sunrise. That's the first two. If we scroll down a bit, there's another few there. What I'm looking at is the view counts on these. If you're not familiar with the channel, you'll click on the first couple of videos you see to see if you like them. So this one here's got 250 views, this one here's got 304, 122, 172, but as we scroll down, look, 67, 62, 54, 50. That's because these guys are at the top. So how do I change that? I want to move some of my other videos up to the top here. So it's fairly simple to do. So these are in a playlist, and if you haven't created a playlist of some of your videos and sectioned them into different groups, I strongly suggest that you do that on your channel. What you do is you go into the actual playlist. So I'm going to click onto here, and that should bring me through to my playlist. And so as you can see here, once it starts loading, this is the order that the playlist is in, and that one is at the top, the one that I said gets clicked on a lot, and so is that one, and then they progressively reduce down. But because you're in your playlist, what you can do is you can move things around. I want to put a different one up the top here. I'm going to try and select one that hasn't had too many views. Townsville Sunrise down here, this one only had about 60 or 70 views, but if I move over here to this side and click on the More button, I can move that up to the top. So up she goes. So now that's the top one, and see, it actually changes the thumbnail as well. So I'm moving that one up to the top. Actually, I might even just move another one up to the top as well. Let's try another one. Let's try, let's say, Sunset at the National Park. Or will we go Dawn on the River? Let's go Dawn on the River. So I'm going to move that up to the top. And now Dawn on the River is at the top, and Townsville Sunrise is directly under it. So if we go back over to my home page over here, and you'll see now I've got two different videos sitting at the top. So let's see if 28 views for Dawn on the River and 54 views for a Townsville Sunrise actually get increased by simply being up there. We'll come back in maybe 2 weeks and see if there's been an increase in the views on those. I'm hoping so, and I hope that you might try that as well as a means of increasing the views on some of your older videos. Bring them up to the top so that people can see them. If you're trying to organize your playlists, you'll see that if I look at my playlists here, this playlist is at the top, and then I've got this playlist, and this one, and this one, and this one. So you can actually move your playlists as well. So if I wanted to actually, say, have my uploads at the top, I simply use these two buttons here. If I push that, that's going to now be at the top. So that shows basically my uploads in the order that they were uploaded in. But I prefer to have these at the top because that's what we're going to do the experiment on, so I'll push that back up to the top as well. Click there. Alright, well, thank you very much for watching, and I hope that maybe increases some of the views on some of your older videos. I'm Aussie Mark, for those of you who don't know me, and you can certainly tell I'm Aussie from the accent, can't you? I hope you have a fantastic day.
Hey everyone, thanks for watching Aussie Mark videos. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do so. He puts out some awesome content, and he's going to put a link below to my channel. I'm Jeremiah McIntosh. Check it out. If you guys like it, please subscribe as well. I put out a lot of drone tutorials, tech tutorials on stuff that I buy, or just awesome stuff I see. So please check it out. And Aussie Mark, man, you rock. Thanks for the good work, and it's awesome that you support us fellow YouTubers like you do. So thumbs up, man. See you guys.